Hi everyone. So now we have Panasonic DP37. It's from 1990s. It's mesh. It's noise shaping with the noise shaping system. It sounds really amazing, especially from CD. Okay, so we did full service for it. Changed the lighting bulbs, cleaned the laser. Also, we did manage to install Bluetooth. Cosmetically, it's in really good condition. I'd say 8 from 10. Unfortunately, it's lost his cage or a drawer, whatever you called it. But we did ISO connector from the back, so for you to be easy to connect radio, simply plug and play. Okay, so at first I'm gonna test the radio itself, the CD player, and later I'm gonna show you how to use the Bluetooth. Okay, CD works perfect. That's actually CD itself is in pretty bad condition, but it's still reading. Let's have a look how it looks in the dark. Okay, all lights are perfect. Okay. Now let's try the Bluetooth, okay? So in order to activate the Bluetooth, we have to go from FM mode to AM mode, okay? In this radio, we have to push the band button a couple times. 1, 2, 3. Now it's AM, which means the Bluetooth is on the radio, okay? Let's go to our cell phone. Turn on the Bluetooth. Wait a few seconds. And here it is. Simply press it, connect it. Now the Bluetooth is connected. You can go to any music you have on your phone. This time we use YouTube. And play any music you want. Cool, right? Let's try another song. It's really simple to use. And when you want to back to your regular radio or CD player, simply press the band button once again until you back to FM mode. That's it. You're on FM mode now. Cool, right? Okay guys, thumbs up.